Beamlights Engineering Limited is based in Meru Town. We are a green energy innovation technology limited that has brought a permanent power solution to the world. The genesis of this new technology began over 20 years ago, where a young boy who used to stay with his grandfather most of the time and who owned a bicycle that used the dynamo motor to generate electric current to light up the flashlight as it was in motion. This amazed the young boy, and immediately in his mind he admired to create such kind of technology in future. In high school, the dreamer who had this kind of idea in his heart began working on this kind of project in Form 3, and that is about 14 years ago, where they, with a team of other students, worked on a science congress project of using motors to generate electricity, but equation of how this technology can be sustained was never answered, and also the uniqueness of the system was not elaborate at that time. From the questions raised by the judges during a science progress project, stirred up the spirit of the dreamer to get a permanent answer to those questions, and this opened a door for him to look for expertise in other fields and also mentors who can help him actualize his dream. This was a challenge to the dreamer, since most of the mentors were selfish and wanted to take advantage of this dreamer and exploit him, but by God's grace, he was able to meet up with an IT expert who is also a believer, who was willing to just help him execute his dream, and through their teamwork, they were able to outsource specialists in computer programming, electrical and electronic engineering, mechanical engineering, and with the combination of the theories, logic, and principles from those fields, they were able to innovate a motor that can run or get driven, not using either wind, water, engine, but basically a self-driven motor. And this is the genesis of discovering the permanent magnetic motors. This opened the door for the advancement of the young boy's dream to a huge reality of getting a self-driven motor that is capable of generating electric current. The computer programmers in the team came up with a source code that could make this machine operate like a robot, and to a big extent, they ensured that this system can be monitored online, that is, you can check the voltage, the load or error just remotely and troubleshoot it remotely. The mechanical engineers, electrical and electronic engineering specialists in the team came up with a logic that supports the principle of energy cannot be created, neither destroyed, but can be transformed from one form to another. And this is the logic they advanced by transforming the chemical energy to electrical energy, to mechanical energy, to kinetic energy, and back to electric energy. And this process continues in a sequence cycle to infinity. Hence, the system becomes self-driven system. The actualization of this journey of a young boy's dream have brought together professionals from different fields, that is computer science, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, specialists in fluid flow mechanism, and also spiritual mentors whom together help deliver this system to the world. This system that has a Kimeru name called Nthandeki is a complete electric car and electric train solution, as with this kind of system, the car engine can run endlessly without recharging, as it will be generating energy to drive the engine while in motion. This means this is a complete replacement of the current electric car engine system we have in the market with a permanent solution. The uniqueness of this system is 1. It is cheap. 2. It is self-dependent. 3. It replaces the natural resources as the only known source of energy, that is natural gas, wind, water, and solar. 4. It is flexible, That is, it can be installed anywhere in the world, even in space. 5. It reduces carbon emission totally, as this system does not produce carbon dioxide to the environment. 6. It is small in size. 7. It is a complete green energy power solution. 8. It is a pride of Marian. It is 99% reliable 24/7 to infinity. 11. This system generates a capacity of 3 kilowatts to 10 megawatts. 12. This system can run effectively in all commercial industries. 13. This system can run effectively for domestic use, that is, in homes. 14. It has been in use for the last 2 years. 15. This system can run effectively on electric cars and trains. 16. Due to little noise generated due to kinetic motion of the solar engine, we have a silent system that is running with the same principle for domestic use to reduce disturbance. Special thanks goes to Agnes, Jesse, Alan, Eric, Samuel, Murioki, and the team of programmers and engineers who brought this to a reality. God bless.